morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. This morning on this magical Monday, we're going to be exploring working altars with budget items. So we'll be using items from the thrift haul and from the Dollar Tree. If you find inspiration, please make sure you leave me a picture in the comments. Also, for future notice of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright everybody, here we are with an altar setup for a money spell. I'll quickly go through and show you what everything is. Back here we have the Goodwill Thrifted bowl that I would use for an offering dish. Those little dishes right there come 4 to a pack from Dollar Tree, and they're just to hold whatever essential items you need, and if you wanted less space taken up, you could actually use one of those as an offering dish as well. Over here we have some bay leaves, which you can from time to time pick up from Dollar Tree. A makeshift cauldron, which I got at the Goodwill. It works great. I have used it. This manifestation jar, you don't have to embellish yours as I did mine here, but if you want to, feel free because I just like doing that. This is a pentacle that I made out of a wood disc that I got at Hobby Lobby, 6 of them for like $1.99. So that cost maybe $1 to make. Okay, so then I have those 2 candles. They were 2 for $1. The altar cloth we're using is green. It's from the rug section at Dollar Tree. It is a nice, thick, heavy quality, but not heavy enough for a rug, but it makes a nice altar cloth. So then incense, these might not be the incense you want, but you could use the ones from Walmart. They're 98 cents, but I like this one because it has the burner, and you can use stick incense or cone. This came from Dollar Tree. It is just a boy, I cannot think today, but this is just a picture frame that you can put a deity in. You can draw it, print it, whatever you'd like, but this will give you an option to have a representation without spending money on a sculpture. These are just papers to write if you wanted to do. Here's colored pen. This is green. Here is some candle options, or use all of them, whatever. When you make your spell, you make it how you want to. And these are just options from the Dollar Tree. Green ribbon. This one did not actually come from Dollar Tree, but they do sell green ribbon at Dollar Tree, so you can get it for $1. Here you can make yourself an herbal pouch if you do an herbal money blend, or you can put them in these jars. So yeah. This is just your basic setup for a money altar. It is a working altar, and let me see what you do down in the comments. I would love to see your pictures. Alright, let's move on to the next. Alright guys, here we are back with a nice setup for maybe a reflection spell, some inside work, like inside of ourselves, or banishing, protection, what have you. So this would be a basic setup for that kind of spell. Let's go. First, I have the tall black candle and the tall white candle. My 2 staple candles, black salt, my own recipe. If you'd like to see how that's made, just leave me a comment down below and I'll make a video on that. I always have my smudge and salt, my altar tile. This broom was 69 cents. And by the way, the candles, they came from Dollar Tree. My cauldron, which I got in that haul, was $2.99 from Goodwill. A mirror from Dollar Tree. I have an offering dish over here. I did switch to black Sharpie, which you can get these at Dollar Tree, and if not, then they do have black markers or pens. Black ribbon, white paper. I would probably be doing an herbal blend if I was doing any of those types of spells, so there's that. And then obviously these, you probably wouldn't want to use this incense, but it's a representation. And then of course, if you wanted a deity to come along with you, here you could use this again as a representation. And this is just another one of the rugs from Dollar Tree. So very simple setup. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next. Alright, last altar for today, an elemental altar. This is a very basic setup for the elements. We have the brown rug that I'm using as a cloth. Okay, and then we have the 2 staple candles as always. Earth, air, fire, water, all represented. Of course, the pentacle in the middle. Beside the earth, we have salt. Beside air, we have the incense, fire, the candle itself, and the smudge stick that would be burning, water, and then I would have a little dish with water in it. So all of the elements are represented on the altar. Now, depending on what kind of working you're doing, you would add other things, but this is your basic altar for working with the elements, all on a very, very nice budget. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for further notifications. See you later, witches.